Hello, I'm Mark Jameson, and we'll be giving a demonstration how to do searches at the Reed Shelter. When you arrive, which hopefully would be about 15 to 20 minutes before opening, the first thing is to go into this room to get the supplies, which I'll show you in just a minute. The supplies consist of a wand, which we'll review momentarily, usually be 2 baskets, and a flashlight. Once we have the supplies, we'll move the table into position. Okay. Now we will demonstrate an actual search. And just a few notes before the demonstration. It's important when you greet the resident to introduce yourself and to engage the resident in conversation. This makes things a lot easier. It also makes the resident feel important, as you are one of the first people to see the resident when they arrive at the shelter. The purpose of the search is to look for alcohol, drugs, or possible weapons. If you should need any help during the search, the staff is close by and you can ask the staff to help you if, say, a resident does not cooperate. For this demonstration, Dalton will serve as a resident. Dalton. Good evening. I'm Mark. Hi, I'm Dalton. Good to see you this evening. Dalton, if I could ask you to empty your pockets and put them into the baskets, please. And at this time, I'll note that there are 2 chairs here because at a busy time, sometimes 2 residents will be searched at the same time. Sometimes there may be 2 people doing the searches. The purpose for the chair is for the resident to take off a jacket or coat that may be heavy and to place it on top of the chair. The pockets for the jacket or coat should be emptied into the basket, just as Dalton emptied his pants pockets. Next, I'll ask the resident to open up the backpack for search. Would you please open up your backpack, sir? And maybe we'll just turn it a little bit more to the side so you can see. Very good. Then a flashlight is used to look into the backpack. And it's important not to touch the resident or their belongings, at least to the maximum possible extent. If something in the backpack needs to be removed so you can see to the bottom, ask the resident to remove any items. Don't please remove a few items there. I can't see all the way to the bottom. Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. You can put that back. If you wish to wear gloves during the search, feel free to do so. Once this has been completed, the wand will be used. I'll come around to the other side to demonstrate the wand. The wand has 2 settings, a vibrate, which you're not able to sense on the video, and also an audio. You're free to use either one, although I would recommend using the vibrate because it does not make as much noise to disturb all the other people around you. The procedure is to start at the right shoulder and outline the body. Just move your arms a little bit. You start right at the right shoulder. And you can see with the watch it will on vibration, but for purposes of this video, let me use the audio. Okay, so you can see obviously what's there, so you can continue on with the search. Again, you see what is there. Come along here, down to the bottom of each leg, up inside the legs, and down, then on the outside, to the other side, and around, and then you can cover the back as well. If something else were to be while in a pocket area, you can ask the resident to empty their pockets or show you what may be there. Thank you. Okay, you may put the belongings back in your pockets now. And then to conclude, wish the resident a good evening and enjoy your dinner tonight. Okay? Just a few other items to emphasize. If you need any assistance, the staff are right there for assistance. If by chance the resident is not cooperative, or if you were to find alcohol or drugs or anything that you're not certain of. This concludes this demonstration.